Welcome back, finance fans. Here are 23 fun facts about money and investing you may not have known. Most lottery winners go broke. An estimated 70% of lottery winners lose all their money within a few years. Zimbabwe once had a $100 trillion note. Hyperinflation in the 2000s rendered their currency nearly worthless. Over 80% of US bills have traces of cocaine. Contamination happens during drug deals or from counting machines. There is more bacteria on money than a toilet seat. Physical cash passes through thousands of hands, accumulating germs over time. Bitcoin's creator is still unknown. Satoshi Nakamoto, the founder, holds over 1 million bitcoins and has never spent them. The first banknotes appeared in China in the 7th century. These early notes were used to reduce the need to carry heavy metal coins. Compound interest is called the eighth wonder of the world, attributed to Einstein, who supposedly said, "He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it." The S&P 500 has averaged a 10% return annually since inception. Despite short-term volatility, long-term investing pays off historically. The word salary comes from salt. Roman soldiers were sometimes paid in salt, a precious commodity, giving rise to the word salary. The first stock exchange was in Amsterdam in the year 1602. It allowed shares of the Dutch East India Company to be traded publicly. We feel losses more than gains. Humans suffer loss aversion, where losing $100 feels worse than gaining $100 feels good. Spending cash feels worse than swiping a card. This pain of paying effect leads to more impulse buying with credit cards. Money can buy happiness up to a point. Studies show happiness increases with income, but plateaus around $75,000 to $100,000 per year. People are more likely to tip at restaurants with crisp bills. Psychology shows fresh, new-looking money feels more valuable. US money isn't made of paper. It is a cotton-linen blend, making it more durable than regular paper. Some countries issue plastic money. Australia was the first to issue polymer bills in 1988. It is more durable and harder to counterfeit. In France, it's illegal for residents to pay for goods over 1,000 euros using cash. This is designed to combat money laundering and tax evasion. Warren Buffett bought his first stock at 11 years old, and he said he wishes he started earlier. Your brain reacts to making money like a drug. Dopamine spikes when we gain money, similar to a sugar or drug high. Approximately 28% of Americans have less than $1,000 in personal savings, indicating a substantial portion of the population may be financially vulnerable. About 90% of retail investors underperform the S&P 500 over the long term. Factors contributing to this underperformance include emotional decision-making, lack of diversification, and higher trading costs. About 88% of active money managers underperform the S&P 500 index over the long term. This trend underscores the difficulty professionals face in trying to consistently beat the market and the rise in popularity of index funds. Credit card fraud costs over $30 billion a year globally, with the US alone accounting for nearly one-third of it. Fake invoices trick even the big companies. Facebook and Google were once scammed out of $100 million through fake invoices by a single fraudster posing as a vendor. The largest Ponzi scheme ever was $65 billion. Bernie Madoff ran the biggest Ponzi scheme in history. His fraud cost investors around $65 billion over decades. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. Until next time, keep earning, keep saving, and keep investing.